Every file on your computer, your operating system, photos, videos, and games has to be stored somewhere. That job belongs to your hard drive, also known as storage. But not all hard drives work the same way. In this video, we'll explain how traditional spinning hard drives work, how solid-state drives are different, and why modern computers are moving towards SSDs. A hard drive is a long-term storage device. Unlike RAM, it keeps data even when your computer is powered off. Hard drives store operating systems, applications, files and folders, and games and media. There are two main types you will encounter today. HDDs, or hard disk drives, they have spinning disks. And SSDs, or solid state drives, they have no moving parts. Traditional hard drives use physical moving parts. Inside of an HDD, you'll find one or more spinning magnetic disks called platters, a read-write arm that moves back and forth, and a motor that spins the disks at high speed. Data is stored magnetically on the platters in tiny sections. When your computer needs data, the disk spins, the arm moves to the correct location, and data is read or written. Because everything is mechanical, HDDs are slower than SSDs, and they're more fragile. They're also noisier. However, they are still popular because they offer large storage capacities at lower cost. SSDs work very differently. Instead of spinning disks, SSDs use flash memory, similar to what's used in USB drives and memory cards. The key differences are there are no moving parts and data is stored electronically. Access times are also nearly instant. When your computer requests data from an SSD, it can be accessed immediately without waiting for a disk to spin or an arm to move. This is why SSDs make computers boot faster, load applications quicker, and feel more responsive overall. Now, not all SSDs are equal. There are SATA SSDs, which connect the same way older hard drives do and are limited by SATA speeds. And there are NVMe SSDs. These connect directly to the motherboard and are much faster. In simple terms, SATA SSDs are a fast upgrade from HDDs, and NVMe SSDs are high-performance storage devices. Even the slowest SSDs are still significantly faster than a traditional hard drive. Now here's a clear comparison. For speed, HDD is slow, and SSDs are very fast. For durability, HDDs can fail if dropped. SSDs are much more durable. For noise, HDD it has audible spinning. Meanwhile, SSDs are silent. For the cost, HDDs are cheaper per gigabyte, and SSDs are more expensive, but prices are dropping. Now, which one should you use? Use an HDD if you need large amounts of storage and if cost is a priority. But use an SSD if you want speed and responsiveness, you're running modern applications or games, and you just want a faster boot and load times. Many systems today use both, an SSD for the operating system and an HDD for bulk storage. Hard drives are the backbone of your computer storage. Spinning hard drives store data mechanically and cheaply, while SSDs store data electronically and deliver speed, durability, and performance. Understanding the difference helps you make better upgrade and purchasing decisions. If this explanation helped, consider subscribing for more simple tech breakdowns.